I'm about to give you the game-changing secret that will take your digital marketing to the next level. Here it is. I never recorded this ad. In fact, I'm not real. I'm an AI-generated avatar here to show you the next big thing in social media and digital marketing. Hi, my name is John, and I work at Tribe Digital Marketing. And for the last few moments, you've been interacting with my personalized digital avatar. An avatar is a digital representation of a person. Essentially, it's a picture brought to life. And they're the future of content creation and digital marketing. With your personalized avatar, you'll be able to create loads of content in just minutes. Imagine creating courses, delivering presentations, or making ads about your business or service without having to spend money on camera equipment, lighting, sound engineers, or editing. Tribe Digital Marketing's industry-leading software can help you create your avatar and create the content that you need to reach your audience. So if you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, a social media influencer, a content creator, or an expert in your industry that can never find the time to record all the content ideas that you've got, Tribe Digital Marketing is your answer to the content and time crunch. Contact us today and ask about our avatar creation package, and let's start growing your tribe.